Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Today's DIY is going to be all about my kinky braid, the one I DIY myself. To see how I achieve this look, just stay tuned and watch the full video. So the hair I'm going to use is called Soft and Silky Afro Kinky Natural. That is what I'm going to use today. And I use color 1B and this color TB1/red. That's the color I use. You can see it's two-tone. So because I want the top to be a bit darker, so I use color 1B on the top to make it more darker. So I'm going to cut the color 1B into two, and the other red color I'm just going to cut a bit out because I don't want it to be too long. I just want it to be shoulder length. That's why I just cut a bit out because I don't need the rest. They're useless. So I'm just going to take my color 1B and I'm going to add it to my color 1BT red. The other color I'm just going to add it to give it that dark, to make it dark more. My hair has been washed already. After I wash my hair out, I use Kinky conditioner, leave-in conditioner to just moisturize it. Then I use my oil. So I'm just going to detangle my hair now. Then I will start braiding. So I'll just cut my hair like that. I'll just pat my hair like that. And I like this light jam. I use it for braid for all my clients. I love it so much. It's not a gel, it's like a cream gel, but it melts off. It doesn't give you any flake and it makes your braid look so nice. So I'm just going to grab my hair and I'm going to attach it. I love to braid from the beginning. That's how I love to do my braid. I'll just braid it 1, 2 to 3, 4 times. Then I'll start twisting. When I'm doing big twists, I love to braid from the roots. So I'll just twist it down like that, and that's it, guys. So I'm just going to continue like that because I'll just continue like that. So I'll just put my let's jam on the side of my parts. Then I will continue braiding like that. So that's what I'm just going to do. I'll just continue braiding like that. I pass my hair into the round shape. That's why I pass, not box. I like the round one. I don't really like the box one. Sometimes I do box, but that's what I want for this tutorial. So I'm just like going to start doing it like that, cutting it around, doing it like that. So I'll just continue like that. I'll just add those two expressions to get those two kinky braids together, the brown one, the color one, and the TB1 red/red. So I'll just continue braiding like that. Use my edge control on the side. I'll continue braiding till I'll show you the next step to go through. So guys, just keep watching. So now I'm on the last stage now. So the last stage, that's the last one. So I'm just going to braid it down just like that. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to trim it. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. Yeah. So I'm just going to trim it around. See, guys, it's worth the stress. You can do it as well if I can do it. So I'm just going to trim it around, and I'm going to take my rollers, and I'm going to roll the red parts of the hair. I'm just going to roll the tip because I want it to be coily. So I take my rollers and I roll it around. So I still trim because, you know, I'm doing it myself. I can't see everywhere, but when I'm rolling, If I still see some hair that is standing, I'll just like use my scissors to just trim that out. So I'll just roll it like that. So, and that's the end of that's the last one. Then after then, I'm going to dip it in hot water. So be careful guys when you're doing hot water. I got my towel. I've been doing this for so long, so I know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to grab my towel and I'm going to dip it one by one. I'm going to dip it like two. I'm just going to get them out. As you can see guys, is coming out so beautiful. I just grab the end and I'll make sure I just cut the bits out of the hand, just the bits they are tangled. And I apply my mousse. Any styling mousse is okay. I use any mousse. So after that, just apply my mousse, and as you can see guys, it looks so beautiful. That's the end of my hair. I really love this hair so much. I hope you guys can try it as well. Let me see how you feel about this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share my video with family and friends, and catch you up in my next video. Bye.